What's up, family? I'm JB Black CEO, and welcome to Black CEO Media 2.0 out here in America. You know what we're at. Real quick, the date is Monday, August 25th, 2025, out here in America, and we have another update. Shanquella Robinson family filed papers to her family attorney, Sue Ann Robinson, filed paperwork on the 20th, as I see here. Let me see. 8/20/25 against three of the Cabo 6 members, buddies, as I like to call them. Okay. She filed paperwork, and from the way it's looking, she wants them to answer some questions. Okay. She may want them to answer some questions. And the people we got on the string, the buddies, these three buddies is who the paperwork is on. Buddy number one, Winter Donovan, aka Camera Lady, Miss Camera Lady. We seen her light-skinned hand in the video from what we seen. Number two, Elise Hyatt. From our understanding, you know, she came back, didn't go to the house from my understanding. And Mr. Fake Friend out of all of them, Mr. Khalil Baby Powders Cook. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put the paperwork up here and I'm gonna read from my phone. Okay. Some of you may be able to read it, be able to see it. Some of you may not. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read it once I put it up here on the screen. But let me repeat. Paperwork was filed on the 20th of this month against Elise Hyatt, the Cabo 6, and her buddy Elise Hyatt. Winter Donovan, and her buddy Elise Hyatt, and their buddy Khalil Cook, the fake friend that was all around Shanquella Robinson's family, you know what I'm saying, taking vacations, trips, and all in the background want to know why Shanquella wasn't fighting back. Well, hopefully the family can get an answer out of them. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it up here as I read it. And some of you may can read it and some of you may not. But the one I got up here is addressing Elise Hyatt. All right. I'm gonna start. United States District Court for the Western District of North Carolina, Charlotte Division. Salamander Robinson, individually as personal representative of the estate of Shanquella Robinson, deceased, the plaintiff versus Imani Green, which is Desiree Jackson, Elise Hyatt, Malik Dyer, Winter Donovan, Khalil Cook, Nazir Tyree Wiggins, Mr. I Wasn't There, and the United States and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Okay. All right. And right up under there, right there where it says Black CEO Media, it says notice of serving plaintiffs. First set of interrogators, basically like interrogation, I'm gonna say, to the defendant, Elise Hyatt. You see it right there? Notice of serving plaintiff. First set of interrogators. I can't even say it right, but anyway, you got it right there. And it's made out to Elise Hyatt. Okay, let's read a little bit. The plaintiff Salamander, the plaintiff Salamander, by and through unassigned counsel, propounds the attached request for production to defendant Elise Hyatt to be answered under oath within 30 days from the date of service in accordance to the applicable rules of civil procedures, LCVR 16-1. Okay. I hereby certify that on this 20th day of August 2025, the foregoing document is being served this day on all counsel of record, pro C parties identified on the attached service list. Specifically, I further certify a copy was mailed. I further certify that a copy was mailed in the following to the following individual at the address listed below. Okay. And that's Elise Hyatt. Okay. No. That is, yeah, this is Elise Hyatt. Okay, let's put this next one up there. This is Khalil Cook, and it reads the same, what I just read off, okay? It has the same wording. Khalil Cook, please come out your rabbit hole and answer some questions. Come on and be interrogated out here in America. Okay, here's the next one. This one right here is Winter Donovan. And all three of these papers that was filed by Shanquella Robinson's family attorney has the same wording to the judge that they want to question these people or interrogate within the next 30 days. Okay. I seen people praying that this can get done. Some of the people over on the Facebook page, appreciate you over there. I see y'all. If you haven't liked our Facebook page, make sure you get off this live and go over there and join the family over there, because we're dropping a lot of interesting content over there. Okay. Been missing for a few minutes. Hey, had to get some appointments together out here at Black CEO Media, doctor's appointments, in other words. That's why I've been a little missing. Just went and took the time off and do that. But at the same time, keeping an eye on the Shanquella Robinson case. Okay. Now, tomorrow, I'm going to touch up on Desiree Jackson. Now, she tried to change her name to Money Green. Okay. Just running, changing addresses. What I see, she changing addresses, changing her name and every damn thing. Just doing the motion. She came back from Cabo. And what I see, she want this to just go away. And it's sad. All of them want this to go away, you know? It's crazy how all of these people that was over there want this Shanquella Robinson situation, this unaliving, to go away. It's amazing how they came out with these lies, some alcohol poisoning. Now, all of a sudden, Desiree Jackson coming out saying it was self-defense, and ain't none of them filing papers saying, wait a minute, Desiree telling a lie. Nazir came out and said it. I was informed when I called, and when I got there, I didn't know. And when I got there, they said it was alcohol poisoning. But where the hell is he at? Desiree Jackson, like I said in the other video, and came out and you know, say that wasn't true, basically. Put herself in a room saying she had to use self-defense against Quilla because she was being belligerent, if I'm using the proper word. Well, as we see, Mrs. Salamandra is putting these Cabo 6 people in an old school headlock. In an old school headlock. All of them. Nazir saying, prove it. Saying I was there and had something to do with it. When he should have did the right thing in the beginning, which was told the truth. Wait a minute. Nazir did tell the truth. Nazir told the truth. Nazir said it was the M word, the unaliving, remember? I played the video. Remember he said, why would he want to get stuck in Mexico? And, you know, wait a minute. Let me play it real quick.
Responsible in another country, in another man's place, bro. That is not our stomach grounds. Y'all know Brittany Griner stuck in Russia. You gotta make a trade. Nobody trading for us. Nobody is fucking trading for me in Mexico. Why the fuck would I want to get stuck in Mexico? Idiots. Make it make sense. That was my first time out the country. I spent money on a passport. I spent money on clothes and all that to put myself in a murder.
Ooh, he say what? Is he gonna say
I'm gonna take my birthday extended. I just turned 25.
Okay.
Tell me happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I'm gonna celebrate my life with a murder. I just turned.
He say celebrate his life with that word he said right there. Now, why would he come out and say that? Why would Nazir say that? I see why Shanquella Robinson family on a question, y'all. They need to be questioning Nazir. What do he mean by that? Huh? I got an opinion, I know. Let me know in the comment section. But update. Shanquella Robinson family filed papers on Winter Donovan, Elise Hyatt, and the fake friend, most definitely, Khalil Cook. I read it a few minutes ago, asking the judge to get him 30 days to respond, and she want to get before these people, from my understanding, from what I see and what I interpret, and question them. 1 minute y'all said it was alcohol poisoning. What is it? Now your ringleader saying it was self-defense. So shouldn't the rest of these Cabo 6 people go and change up their paperwork? Because Desjanae threw a monkey wrench in it, showing that they lied. Showing that they lied. Desiree Jackson showed that y'all are lied, that somebody came up with the narrative in the room when Nazir and everybody else was in there and said it was alcohol poisoning. But now, buddy number one, Desiree Jackson, said it was self-defense. Her paperwork didn't say anything about alcohol poisoning. Look how she made the rest of them look bad. I ain't even gonna say look bad, but look at that. I mean, just look at it, people. Look at what it is. Alcohol poisoning, all on the TV, alcohol poisoning, alcohol. And then when they get Desiree Jackson up out the rabbit hole back here, it took a little minute to dig her out. And she said she wasn't even properly served over there. Quilla wasn't properly served with justice. Desiree Jackson said she wasn't properly served. And this should be dismissed and thrown out. I mean, like, come on now, really? And just let it go all the way, right, Desiree Jackson? That's crazy. That's crazy. But pray that the judge grant the attorneys to be able to have a chance, from what I see, to question winner, Elise Hyatt, Khalil Cook, because it's crazy. They buddy now saying that it was self-defense. Will the attorney ask them about it? I don't know. Wink, wink. Will the attorney ask them about it? You know, your friends say it's self-defense. Where in the hell did y'all get alcohol poisoning when she didn't have alcohol in her system? You know what? It don't look good. And I'm glad God exposed lies. And the Cabo 6 lies are being exposed. Okay? It's been exposed. Like I said a few minutes ago, Shanquella Robinson mom and the family is putting them in an old school headlock, which rightfully so. Because it's sad. You got evil people that'll walk around here and basically telling you dismiss it or act like it didn't happen. These young bucks, young evil bucks, man. But one thing I like to say to them, all 6 of them, if you close your eyes tonight, stop breathing, and family have to bury you, I'm just saying, where will you go? To heaven or hell? When you stand before God, are you going to tell the truth or are you going to tell a lie? At least higher. When you stand before God, are you going to tell the truth or are you going to tell a lie? At least higher. Are you going to tell the truth or tell a lie? Khalil Cook. Are you going to tell the truth or tell a lie? Desiree Jackson. Are you going to tell the truth or tell a lie? Malik Dyer. What you going to do, Connecticut? Tell the truth or tell a lie? Nazir going to tell God he wasn't there. He wasn't there. But one thing I like to say to God, though, Lord, Father God, he had a chance. He had a chance. Who? Who had a chance? Mr. I wasn't there. He had a chance to do the right thing to help this family with some closure. But God, he did not do it. All right. I'm going to get ready to get up out of here. I just wanted to drop that real quick. And in a day or so, I will be going back live and putting the phone number up. That way I can hear the people, we the people, the community that support and care about Shanquella Robinson. I'm gonna say pray for her whole family. Pray for Shanquella Robinson whole family. Pray for a good good verdict when it comes to the family filing these papers, you know, to get these people in front of the court. Pray. Pray, pray, pray. Because the family is dealing with some demonic stuff, some demonic ass stuff, as we see right here. Where these people like, bro, this messed this. The paper wasn't right. My address wasn't right. I ain't have nothing to do with it. Winter Donovan said she ain't had nothing to do with it. And she clearly right there filming. She filmed, and we can hear Malik Dyer talking about at least fight back, do something. Not here in America. But guess what? St. Lucas, Cabo, Villa, Linda, 32, the room. That big old villa that Nazir said, okay? Make sure y'all subscribe, hit like, hit that notification button if you haven't. And I appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Miss Robinson and filing paperwork, trying to get these people to be able to talk. Do I think it's a good idea? Yeah, I think it's a great idea. And hopefully this judge grants them permission within the next 30 days where these people have to come in there and talk and try to explain this alcohol poisoning lie. When Desiree Jackson basically said it ain't alcohol poison, she had to defend herself. And the rest of them didn't mention that in their paperwork. All right. All right. Subscribe, hit like, hit that notification button. So when I do go live, guess what? You get that notification, and I'm going to bring you the truth and not the damn juice out here in America. Other than that, take care of yourself and take care of others. You know how we do. I'm out.